Hey guys, today I'm back with these evil unicorn nails. I painted these for the Halloween Forever collab on Instagram. This collab was hosted by Viper Lover and Delise_nails on Instagram. I absolutely love this theme. The thought of lovable unicorns being evil and satanic just brought so much joy to me, so I had to take part. If you know I did these nails, keep watching. So I started off with painting my middle finger with this like ox blood dark red, and it's 2 coats for opacity on that polish. And then I applied a layer of Holotaco Solar Unicorn skin. And then on my ring finger, I just painted black. And on my index and pinky fingers, I painted with Garnet from Cert Colors. It's a gorgeous dark red flaky holo. And then I applied a layer of my foil gel. It just creates a sticky base once you put it in the lamp. So with my Moe London Hipster Unicorn plate, it's I just stamped the unicorn in black. He starts off looking all cute and innocent, and then we're going to turn him evil by giving him a sword for a horn. So I'm just painting it with silver. And then I painted his face with grey, just a light grey. And then I painted his mane with dark grey. And once that was dry, I just stamped it directly on that sticky base on my ring finger. So here I am with my Moe London Festive 63 plate. I'm just stamping this dagger in a grey polish. And then I'm just filling in the blade part with silver. And then that dark grey for the handle. Now once that was dry, I just stamped it on my pinky finger. And then with that same plate, I'm just stamping the satanic star. What's that called? I can't remember. I just stamped that on my index finger. Pentagon, that's it. And then with my Twinkle Tea polish, the red one, I went back to that hipster plate with the unicorns and just stamped these unicorns in red. And then I stamped that straight onto my nail, and I was so impressed with how much this metallic polish stood over the black. And then finally a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these evil unicorn nails. And I do like these, they bring a little tickle of joy to my life. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching, bye!